Me say the man them beg say the rampus get away. Me say them come to slaughter him. Me say afraid, then start afraid, you know. Cause then say me should never get away no breading. Right? Cause so much of them over 4 of them, you know. And then say, God Almighty, we know you know no peace now, you know.
Hey, I hope you're not tired of Peanut Dread videos them, you know. We have some more videos coming. We have some more Ninja Man. We have some plays coming. We have some random. Jamaicans are not real people. Jamaica is not a real place coming. And we have some educational stuff coming too. Make sure so now use condom. Alright. Anyways, it's the next Peanut Dread video.
Come from town, make we tackle him. We have beat him and bring him a station. Good. Me come from town and go up there. Me don't know what I want. The morning when me come in the night, you know, and by the morning, me wake but me don't get up out of bed, you know. Me hear a voice. I say, wash it. Wash it. I said, then call me. So me say, who that? He say, me man. Me say, me who? He say, come no man, when you come, you know, we say, I mean, not like that answer there in a rasta like, you know. And me catch like a film voice, you know, me catch them band voice in a rasta. And me say, what is this, my God? And me jump up out of bed, you know, and draw through the window, you know, at the glass window, you know, and tip on me to and peep, how me peep. Me say, Albert have a piece of stick, lap, hand and foot. Just a wait for me open the door, for land me.
Radam!
Back in the house, and me never know say another man did them, me think I'm alone, you know, right? Good. You see when me look and see myself. Me say, what is this now? And me take up the fork and I look place in the house for ID, you know. That's the enough I need, you know. And me can't hardly find out if you hide it. And you know, say me have one chain on the door and on the house where me chain inside and said nobody can come from outside and me have to take off the chain and find nail for nobody can come in, right? And me draw against that door there and say, Rasta, remember, you know? He bought me here. Wash it. Wash it. Wash it. He no hear no answer. Me hear the man say, the boy gone, man. And push the door and come in, you know, when he come in, he see bed pull up and then you see me. The man start search out the house, you know, and me the...
What is this? But is a home invasion natty? You know, no gun. You know, no machete. Oh, you a farmer and a machete, Peanut Dread. What go on here, sir? Why the man them come in yard, Peanut Dread? What you do the man them? We go watch and find out.
And me the right at the door, you know, my brethren. Say, him a go, as him come at middle door and see, you know, Rasta. Him a go ball out, say, see me, I know. Give him the fork, you know. And left him, you know. One spirit say, if you jam him with the fork, remember them a go want you more, you know. Right? Try get away. I know jam him, you know, man. Alright. When him come at middle door, the man see me, man ball out, say, see the boy on! And I just fly the chain off at the door in the Rasta and run out on the... Now, you see when me a tiptoe, I go to the door, when I go to the door, the house the pan one, some tall post, you know. Have a cellar under it where goat and cow can go and when rain a fall, go shelter in a virgin. And you know, say, when me I go to a tiptoe, you know, just to a flooring, you know, me see some head under the cellar. I follow me foot. And me find out, so me well circle up. And you see when me fly off the chain off at the door, and run out on the veranda. When it two man were the nearest to me, you see. When then she see the 4 teeth fork, me fly out with the fork, with the teeth them in front. God have mercy. One of the man back off so, and one back off so. And me just go up on the veranda bump up on the rail and me so, and make a jump in a Rasta. And me say, the man then come with 4 of them. And 4 of them have 4 little bag hang up over their side full of stone with 5 long stick on a roll of rope.
This sound like a back in the days, man. Jesus Day. Remember when they never stone Mary Magdalene came out? Peanut Dread, how you do you people them? How you thief from the man them Peanut Dread, they gonna stone it like a hoe. Pardon my language.
The soil say them a kill the rampus. Man, my brother, when I jump off and when I took off, me say I hear some stone a drop at my foot. Boom! And I jerk the earth and just a fly in front me. Me say if one of them they hold me in my head back, me gone. Me say the tick them just a go blap side of me. And me say when the man and she say no, when me see say them all lick me up, me take in a one coffee walking and bread and we're ticking up, right? And one name did the name John, man. boy can't run, you know, man. Me say all the try. Me try to get to you, know, man. Everywhere me turn the boy at the back at me. See me high! See me high! See me! And me say me take one coffee walk in the rest of the fucker hold me back, you know. Like he take them a joke up on the garbage and whistle and sing. And me let it go now. Let it go now. And say, come on now, Rasta, see if you can get up on the boy, you know. And me say, the boy me fly through the bush. The boy they back at me. And me say when me reach I want precipice now, you know, right? And me say I want precipice me reach in the Rasta. And me say the man dump on me in the Rasta. Like he want to come fight me and hold me now. Feel the man them come and kill a ball out. I say, Senior! I sit down, you see, Rasta, and hang down my foot, you see. And me say when I leg up, me rub on the bank inside. If me jump in the middle, me foot them because me say down there deep. And me say when I rub on the bank, me say the speed where I go down with my brethren when I drop. Not even my body could have hold up, my foot could have hold up the weight of my body. Right from my body, me go down, you know. And my foot one there's nothing do my foot them, you know. And so me make so, and she say nothing do the 2 foot. I get up and me see I turn up the gully. And I go up the gully, tell me drop out on big road in Rasta. I don't go up the road and down the road in Rasta. I climb the bank in it and gone over in a bush.
They can't catch you natty. They can't hold the natty too fast. Remember I first time meet an accident now and I'm Virgin Day driving there, a young youth. I was so frightened. I was so shocked. Literally, from my ankle to my knee, I shake. My foot, oh my God, now shake. My thigh now shake. I just this so me understand the nervousness where they take over the natty when they shake. So, but the full story is on Peanut Dread Official. And Peanut Dread Official is on YouTube here. The link will be in the description. Go and go watch it so you can get the full context. Anyways, hope you get a little laugh and me demonstrate how your foot can shake when you're frightened or in a shock or the adrenaline rush go through your body. Anyways, like the video for me, please. Share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. Stay safe. God bless.